Guys, good day. How are you everybody? Look at my t-shirt guys. It looks very nice. I got this free from Timo. So guys, good afternoon. How are you everybody? Welcome to our life in Bacolod City. So today is a very busy day. Our motorbike has been back for the from the registration. We got our new plate number. So we gotta follow that date, the month in the registration that they give us, which is different than the ORCR after 3 years of waiting. So anyway, that is common here apparently. So we're very happy that it's already done. What else did we do? So we done another thing regarding our tour to another country. We're going out of the country for a tour, so that's also done. That's actually after our quick visit to Australia. We're gonna go back home for a little bit. As you know, we are Australians. So anyway guys, there's mosquitoes that's biting me. Maybe. So I don't know which one is which. Yeah, so we've been very busy today. Time check, it is already 4:10 and Bubu is on today. He had a day off yesterday because he went to Sinico because I paid our bill this morning. Mind you guys, we went there at 9 o'clock in the morning and it was only 3 people, so we went straight on, which is pretty good. So next time we pay our bill, we pay in the morning, first thing in the morning. And also we went to downtown and we had something to eat, and we went for grocery. I bought some lettuce, so that was good. And guys, I want to show you this. This is the century tuna we bought from Pure Gold, and it was like a set of 6 like this. It was placed like that, and when you open it, they are all squashed inside like that. So the tin are all squashed. That one is not, but these are all squashed, squashed and squashed. So obviously I don't want to sell it in the shop, so I brought it here in the kitchen so we can actually use it. Yeah, so it's very hard to buy those cheap bonus guys. Sometimes not for the shop, you cannot sell it in the shop. And yeah, so they came like this, like that. So I like to buy this one because they are cheaper, but it's not so good. I don't know about this because it come that one maybe. Oh, see, crushed as well. Look, crushed as well. Maybe from traveling. So yeah, just be mindful if you buy that type of things in a bundle. Inside is like sort of crushed, so we can be fussy as long as the inside is good. I suppose that's alright. It's only container, but obviously you can sell it in the store, in the sari-sari store. Yeah, so okay, so this is some of the worries, when you do your grocery, when you're dealing with the presentable items to sell in the store. You have to keep looking on the use by date and everything, and it is a lot of thinking, in your mind to get it right. So even just the food for the house, because sometimes you don't use it straight away, so make sure that you buy stuff that it has enough due date, because they're very, very clever. Some people, they just sell it without telling you it's only got 3 days. In Australia, they tell you. Here, you sort of know yourself. They sell it on the due date, right on the day. So anyway, it can happen that way, but yeah, because in their mind it's not due. So in Australia, when it's due like that, so close, it's already sold cheaper. Anyway, we gotta learn those things, and when we live here, it's more fun in the Philippines. Remember remember that. It's so true. Yeah. So anyway, we just gonna be vigilant when we are doing our grocery, when we are doing things like, you know, because I just pick it up. It's a bundle. It's sealed properly. Nato, I get 3 of this. This is so nice. When they open, apparently it's all crushed. I don't know if it's our transport, if it's people there that when we arrive just chuck it, you know, we don't know. So next time we really have to be like taking our time, be careful, you know, like that. Yeah, which is not us. We're always in a rush. When we do things like that, we're always in a rush, and then when we come home, we sort of relax. Yeah. Anyway, I got 1 pot arrived today. This is a new one. So I ordered this one before. So I got 2 now of the colored one. The one I have purchased, which is I got 2 now. I want to order another one. I want 3. So this is the box that arrived. So it's 2 of them now. 1 here and 1 there. So that is the box of the 2. And the set is here. Yeah. I keep the box for a little bit until I don't need it. But for now, it's best to keep it, guys. So, I will cook dinner for Daddy. Let's go. Okay, guys. Before we go on to our cooking, I would like to introduce you to our new curtain. This is the one I bought in one of my vlogs. I got 3. You buy 3 and you get 3 for free. So I got that. It's quite long and it's quite pretty here in the upstairs. So pretty good. What else did I purchase that I'm so happy? Oh, I already showed you this one. Ta-da! The one that we bought. So yeah, that's just a prop. Me and Dad will eat. We remove it. You know, guys. Okay. And there's another one. That one I got that from Timo for free. That one. So with God all things are possible. That one. And then what I got also for free, guys, is this. Welcome. Where are you? That one. Ta-da! It's so cute, huh? Okay guys, good afternoon everybody. Okay, so today is Friday. Happy Friday everybody. It's raining. So we went to the mall today and we actually had lunch with my brother and sister. So, and also my beloved assistant Bukay. We went to have lunch today. So anyway, it's been raining because we have a low pressure today. So anyway, that's what our day today, and we did paying bills today. It's not such a big deal paying bills because it's not that expensive, but of course we have to pay our water bill and our no, we paid the electricity already last time, so that's good. So we paid the Wi-Fi as well, and so that's it, done for the month of January. So all good. We had lunch and we enjoyed our lunch, and yeah, so we're back and we received or pick up the registration of the motorbike. So it's registered now, the Aerox, and we got the plate number that the LTO have given us after 3 years. They give us a proper plate number with a barcode, and that is March. So our Aerox is registered until March next year. So it's good and all done. So everything is done, which is really good. That's what we want. So we're just trying to take notice of the water that's been coming out of here. We're gonna try and look for it. Where is it coming from? So I don't know where is it coming from, But apparently it's coming from there. Okay, so I can see. I can see it's coming from the top. Right? So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so we need to put the concrete there. And yes, that's what it is. It's coming from there somewhere. Okay, so this one is coming from the back. Okay, it's coming from there. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Okay, so this one's coming from. Alright. Alright guys, so you can see at least the performance of the rain. So yeah, I just gotta clean up, and I wanted to, I don't know, cook maybe cook something for dinner, especially for Daddy, because he only okay, so this one is wet. This one is also wet area, guys. Yeah, and our chair is there. Yeah, doesn't matter because we can drag the water out. It's okay as long as our furniture doesn't get wet. That's fine, and especially the stereo, because our stereo, of course, we cannot allow it to get wet. The JBL is very, very expensive, so we need to look after it. Okay naman, just here you can just drive the water out like that. Okay, so that means you have to get another panel to get up there. Yeah. Alright, so we need to get rid of this of this colored here. We need to get rid of this one. Oh yeah, especially the green. That one look good at the bottom. Even here on the top, so we might as well get a proper one. Yeah, so this is what I do, guys, when I arrive at home. Make sure that, because you know I didn't come here this morning, I was so tired, I didn't have energy to come here to actually do cleaning, but I already clean at night time, so nobody come up here, so it's okay. Just need to, this one is not wet, but apparently this one is wet, just in front of the fridge. Yeah. So apparently we need another sheet of plain sheet there. Maybe yes, and maybe no. Right. I don't know what to do, but I can see there is a water coming out there. I don't know where that's coming from. If we need to put a tin, or we need to put something so it doesn't come up here, because it does go down here. For some reason it comes in that one, so I don't know what to do, guys, if I have to cook for Daddy or what. But it's only 3 o'clock, so I still have time to maneuver and see if what he's gonna eat. But I got heaps of food for him. Yeah, okay, so that's probably what I'm going to do. I do a lot of thinking what to do. You know, I had lunch, he had burger, but I obviously have to serve dinner. He can't just go without dinner. So his dinner is quite different. It's not rice and fish. If it's rice and fish and rice and vegetables, it's easy for me to to do, but it's sort of a different thing. So yeah, I don't know what can I do. Potato, he had potato today, so I better not serve potato today, but I can serve something else, you know. Oh, so I might cook this, guys. I just seen it. This one might have to cook it. I have to cook this one, guys. The banana. Yes, so anyway, that's what we did today. We went out for quite a long time, maybe 2 hours. Just catch up with my brother and sister. And because they're also busy as well. But we are not busy for just meeting each other. We always find the time so we can see each other. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what happened, guys, and we are just talking about life, of course, how we are here in Philippines. My brother is from America. He's holidaying here in Philippines. So yeah, and also yes, it's all good, guys. So there is happiness in 2026 that we are trying to enjoy. So we are so grateful of everything that happened to us in 2025. Made you realize, you know, something for 2026. So always look at things that happen in a good way. It makes you strong, and it makes you strong as a person. Whatever happens in your life, it's no difference really to other country and here. All the same, people still living. It's just the quality of life and quality of happiness are different. So it's very important to have a good quality of happiness wherever you are. Doesn't matter Philippines or abroad. It's up to you to maneuver your life. A lot of people are very happy in Australia. They don't want to come anywhere. So meaning, that's what they like. There's a reason why they are happy. And also, a lot of people are happy in Philippines. They don't want to go anywhere in the world. Only Philippines. It's because they're happy here. So we are trying to analyze why you are happy. So in the long run, this is how they are happy, so you can be happy like them. Contagious happiness if you do it right. Contagious. And I also, guys, actually I bought bangus from my friend. This is 160 pesos each. This one, guys. And I got 10 of this. This will last us a long time because it's only few of us here, guys. Yeah. So there is 10. Okay. 10 boneless bangus. I bought 10, so I don't have to keep buying, guys, because the bangus is very nice. It's fresh. So I thought if I get 2, no more na, because they come like a season. So when they sell me, I buy bulk. I buy heaps and I don't buy anymore for quite a while. I bought like 15 from her before, and there's like 2 left. So I thought time to buy, but there's quite a long time. And I also bought daing, the big fish, the big uga, the big one. And I need more because I got 4, I think. I ordered 4 or 6, but it's only 1 left. And the people that come here, sometimes we just want to eat dried fish and vegetables. Good combination. So if we don't have dried fish, we wish we have dried fish. So I always have dried fish in the freezer, and also some little fishes, that's dried, I put in the freezer so it's ready to eat. Yes, that's what we do. So our habit of buying bulk in Australia, I sort of, not all, but some things that I can buy bulk here, I do to vegetables. I already boil them and then put in the container and ready to cook. So we don't have to go to the wet market every day. It's a bit hard to go every day. So that's what I do. So, like, if there is a chance, I buy how many kilos, and then like this is the jackfruit, so I boil it and I put in the container and put in the freezer. So when we need it, then we cook it. I also got more in the little fridge at the bottom. I forgot to bring it, and I need to freeze those. So I need to get it over in the 3rd floor. But of course the rain is a little bit naughty. There's a rain disturbing our enjoying of outdoor. Because this area, guys, is like outdoor. The breeze is from outside. I was thinking I don't really need an aircon here because this is outdoor already. So we rely on the wind around the place. But sometimes, obviously, you need it to get a fan to get the circulation. So we still have to use the fan just to get the air circulated. Would be nice if we don't need to. At the back there, we don't need to. It just runs by itself. Yeah. So I'm cooking the banana. I will bring it down the bottom. See if Daddy will eat it with me. Ay nako, he's gone. He went to bed. Sos, Maria Jose. Okay. Yeah. So Daddy went back to bed. I just looked at the CCTV. No, he is not watching TV. He's gone to sleep. So I cook this banana, but anyway, we had lunch. That's why he's full. So I just wait until he wakes up later and give this to him. He likes to eat this just a little bit fried. That's it. Yeah, so okay, that's good. So here we are. We're gonna bring it downstairs. So tonight maybe I'll just have to prepare our lettuce. Let's see if I can prepare it now half. Let's see. Ay nako. What? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Also the fan is on. And that's it. The shop is open. Okay. The store is open. I don't know if I can prepare half and half. So this afternoon I don't have to to do a full on of ano la guys, lettuce. I got a couple more here. I obviously have to use this one first because I bought this one first. And I will just make half of this. That's all. Nagbalis. No. Okay, this one. So I'll just put a little bit there. And that should be enough. Wow. Okay. And then, bakal. Don't know where I bought this one. I need to buy more plastic bag, guys. And then, no? I can put a plastic bag there. I don't know why it's like that. I got no idea. Okay. I'll wash this one so it's nice and clean. Ay, nako. The weather is pasaway ang weather. But it's nice and cold in water. This is it, guys. So I just have to add a little bit more tomatoes. Lana. I don't know where it is, but it's there. Yeah, I'll make that later. The bread of Daddy is the one that we didn't buy. Okay. We forgot. But he still got a little bit of bread there, so that's okay. Okay na. Okay ra. Okay ra, uy. Muna na, guys. Okay na, guys, ha? Wala na ta problema. So, anyway, naka-half-half na ang lettuce. So, I'll just have to put a little bit of ingredients. And if Daddy wants to eat something, I'll just have to fry a little bit of food for him today. So, let's test this one. Hot. Hot. Very nice. Yummy. So that's it for our busy day today. So nothing much except it's raining, and I'm going down to take a break, and I'm going to turn that off. We turn off the monitor if we are not here. I draw down all the curtains so it doesn't come the rain here like that. And obviously it protects the showers of rain to come here. The roof is no good. We gotta do something about the roof. It's not good. So I gotta do something about that one while we do have a chance to do it. Yes. So the roof is dripping. So I need to find a way to stop the drip from the nipa. Yeah. So it's always something to do in the house, and it's always something to do small repair. Rainy time repair is you can only see it during the rain. So if it's not raining, well, everything is really good. When the rain comes, it's dripping. Especially the nipa, not a tin roof. But anyway, we like the look of it. It just finishes the look of the room, and it just finishes the look of our situation here that we are trying to present our place. Yeah. So I shall be back later, guys, but this is our Friday, typical Friday, and this is my outfit for today. Yeah. So we just went to the mall and to pay the bill. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we shall see you in our next vlog. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.